Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I found one thing very interesting and I like to share it with all of you because it has so in-depth meaning and it has bring me a lot of understanding about what actually happened in this world. Trust me, it has so in-depth meaning and it is so interesting that I can't afford to wait anymore to share it with all of you. So let's see what actually it is. So what I call this is 0 to 1 rule. What actually it is mean, let me explain you. It is so interesting and trust me, you will love this concept. Let's say if I want to be a politician, so if I spend whole of my life reading books and politics all about what actually do politicians have to do, what is law making, what is law formation, how to amend laws, and what are the roles and responsibilities of politician. If I go in depth of it, and so if I spend whole of my life understanding and reading about what actually the role of politician is and how can we be a better politician, we end up having only 1%, only up to this percent of the vastness of this field of career what you said. Likewise, let's say if I want to be an engineer, so if I kept on reading about how to make anything, or if I kept on spending my time about how can I be a better engineer, then I end up having only 1% of the entire experience or knowledge or vastness of the engineering field. But what if I make it into conversation? What if I turn it into my daily life conversation? If I start speaking about it in different debates, in different conversation with different friends and relatives, if I start talking about it, if we start brainstorming about it, not just reading or understanding but also explaining about what can be done, what should be the better way, what is my opinion. So if we get on that level, then we end up having 10% of the vastness or experience of that field. If let's say if I want to be a better doctor, so if I start about what needs to be done in that particular situation, not just first and foremost important thing is we must understand the basic and fundamentals of any stream or any field, and that count up to 1%, and that is very crucial, but it is not the ultimate thing. Yeah, it is important but not the ultimate thing. But when we make into conversation, when we start speaking about it in general conversations, in debates, and in general with anyone, then we get up to 10% of the experience of that particular field. What is that thing that fills the gap between 10 to 100% exposure of any field, that you can say no, I have the 100% experience in that particular field? For that you need to get into ground level, you need to start practically applying your concepts. So when if I keep on reading about politics, I end up having only 1% of the entire experience of what actually is politics all about. But when I practically acting as a politician or start participating in political activities, then I end up having experience, or I can say understanding about that actual field. Start the process of 10 to 100% journey, and we end up having experience, so whatever extent depending upon our interest and devotion toward that field. But it is very important for most of the field we end up having only 1% experience, because we just read about it and we have formed the conception that we know everything about it. Yeah, we know fundamentals of anything just by reading it or understanding about it through whatever medium. But real understanding comes when you start speaking about it, when you participate in conversation, when you do brainstorming about it, when you discuss it with someone, you get around 10% of the experience or exposure of that field. But you can't say I have 100% experience or exposure of that particular field. That only comes with practical exposure or application of your concept. When you start participating in that field, when you actively involved in the process of that field, then only you get up to the markation, or you cross the markation of 10%, and you start your journey of 100% of experience in any field. So trust me on this, start working on your journey to 0 to 1 and then 1 to 100%, considering that if you keep on reading anything, you will end up having only 1% of the real experience of that field. But if you start discussing it with your friends or relative, with whomever you want to discuss it, you will have 10% of the experience. But if you force yourself and participate in that activity, you start your journey of 100%. So please tell me your opinion about this concept, and how useful do you find it in your life, or is it worth